Okay students, after abstract noun we will continue with common noun and proper noun. Okay, so what is common noun and what is proper noun, that we are learning from class 1. Yes, no? So common noun is a word which is referred commonly for any person, place, animal or thing. Like when we see peacocks in the jungle, we see many peacock, but we call them commonly as peacock only. In our class or in our school, many girls and boys are studying. We call them together as students. So commonly they are called as students only. Many boys are sitting in the class, many girls are sitting. This word boy and girl is considered for individual as well as for the whole group also. So these words which we use commonly for boy, for girl, for teacher, for doctor, means we are knowing their name or we may not be knowing their name, but commonly we can call them. We refer that word for them, that is called as common noun, and common noun always begins with small letter. Okay. Then proper noun. Proper noun is a special name of person, place, animal or thing. Like there are many boys, but all the boys have their own name. Like Raj, Rohit, Ramesh, Ram. They are the name of the boys. They are special name. Their places also have their own name, like Vapi, Salva, Gunjan, Valsad, Navsari. They are the name of the places. Okay, so when the particular name is given to that particular place or particular person or particular thing, that is called as proper noun, that belongs to them. Like sun is the biggest fireball. Sun is like a big fireball. It is in the center of the solar system. The sun is a big star. Sun is the name of that star. Planets, all the planets revolve around it. Planet is a common noun. But if I say Earth, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they are the name of that particular planet. So the name of the planets like Earth, Mars, Jupiter is proper noun. But if I say planets, then it is a common noun. Okay. So see here. The monkey on the tree was eating banana. So whenever we see the monkey, we call them as a monkey only. कहीं पे भी जाते अलग अलग monkey देखते हैं, पर हम उन्हें monkey ही बुलाते, कुछ और नाम से नहीं बुलाते, बंदर ही बुलाते हैं. So monkey is a common noun and bananas is also a common noun in this sentence. The monkey on the tree was eating bananas. Okay. So next, my mother Kusum is a great cook. Cook means the person who cooks the food, or there are many person who cooks the food, so commonly we call them as a cook only. Mother and cook is a common noun in this sentence, so we will underline them. And Kusum is the name of the mother, it is a special name, so we will circle the word Kusum because it is proper noun and it begins with capital letter. Keep in mind that proper noun always begins with capital letter. In exam, it is not necessary that you have to write both common noun as well as proper noun in the one sentence. If this question comes, my mother Kusum is a great cook, I may ask you like, find out the common noun in this sentence. So you have to find only mother and cook, because they are common noun. The word Kusum is proper noun, so you will not select this word Kusum. If I ask find out the proper noun in this sentence, then you have to find only Kusum, not mother and cook. Okay. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं दोनों को ऐसे ही लूँगी. क्वेश्चंस को मैं स्प्लिट भी कर सकती हूँ कि फाइंड आउट द कॉमन नाउन या तो फाइंड आउट द प्रॉपर नाउन. तो आपको कॉमन नाउन किसे कहते हैं, प्रॉपर नाउन किसे कहते हैं, वो दिमाग में अच्छे से रखना है. ओके. So next, there are hardly any tigers left in the forest. So the word tigers, which we call commonly to all the tigers and forest, सारे जंगल को हम जंगल ही कहते हैं, भले वो इंडिया में हो या अमेरिका में. So the word tigers and forest and tiger are the common noun. Okay. So Sumit is a good student. Now Sumit is the name of a boy. Student is commonly we call to all the students who are studying in the class. So Sumit, which begins with capital letter, is a proper noun and student is common noun in this sentence. Okay. Now next, did Maya enjoy the movie? Now Maya is the name of a girl. And movie, she may have seen any of the movie. कोई भी पिक्चर देखोगे तो उसे हम मूवी ही कहेंगे. So the word Maya is proper noun and movie is common noun in this sentence. Okay. Next, Aditya is a good student. Now Aditya is the name of a boy and student is commonly we called to the whole group of students. So the Aditya is proper noun and student is common noun in this sentence. Okay. Now next, the Jog Fall is in Karnataka. It is one of the highest waterfall in India. In this sentence, if I say find out the proper noun, so we can find Jog Fall, Karnataka and India. Three are there, proper noun. And if I say to find out the common noun, only one word, waterfall is common noun. Okay. So the Jog Fall is proper noun, Karnataka is proper noun and India is also the proper noun in this sentence and waterfall is common noun in this sentence. Okay. Now next, my favorite author is Enid Blyton. Now author is the person who write the stories, novels and poems and all that are called as authors, जो book लिखते हैं. And the special name of that author is Enid Blyton. So author is common noun and Enid Blyton is the proper noun. Okay. So you have to write all the three exercises which I have explained you on the board and which I have written on the board. So you will write that all the three exercises in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting and read it for the exam also. Okay. So take care and stay safe.